Check out this compact budget home server that I put together for only about $400. It might give you some ideas for your own build. It has a Ryzen 5 Pro 3400GE, ASRock B450M motherboard, and 16GB of ECC memory. It's no secret that most consumer Ryzen CPUs actually support ECC memory. All you need is a compatible motherboard. Fortunately, most boards from Gigabyte and ASRock support ECC, and some from ASUS as well. Now, the only CPUs which don't support it are those which have an integrated GPU, unless you go for a Pro model like I did. The Ryzen 5 Pro 3400GE is a quad-core CPU with integrated graphics and support for ECC. Of course, a GPU isn't always necessary for a server, but it's still nice to have support for a monitor. As for the RAM, I went with 16GB of Kingston ECC memory running at 2666 MHz. Fast RAM isn't necessary here. But the real stars of the show are the Toshiba 2TB Enterprise SSDs that I snagged for only $55 each on eBay. Now, to be clear, I purchased these about 2 years ago when SSDs were dirt cheap, so they're probably more expensive today. But anyway, these drives boast an impressive endurance of 3520 TBW, and the drives I received still have 98% health remaining, which means they were barely used. I'll also be adding an 8TB spinner drive for backups as well. And the best part of all, this build is future-proof since it has 2 PCIe slots which will allow me to add a 10GB Ethernet card and an NVMe RAID card if I ever need more storage. Now here's the complete list of the parts for the build. So how do you think I did? Drop a comment and let me know. And be sure to tell your friends too.